Okay guys, so here are all the contents of the Back to the Future Advent calendars. Dee got me two, it was freaking awesome, and I'm gonna show you what's inside. So we have Cowboy Biff, we got Einstein, we have, so cool, Emmett Brown. This is awesome. Oh. We have the school teacher, I forget her name. I know it's bad, I'm a fangirl, I forgot her name. We got Marty as Clint Eastwood. We got Cowboy Movie Marty on a horse. The horse came. Sick. Twin Pines Mall. Unfortunately, we don't have the mall scene, that wasn't included. We got like a bunch of tires and stuff, which I think can be used on the other DeLorean that he got me, the Playmobile DeLorean. This is Playmobile. So we have 50s Doc. We have, oh, that's, you know, obviously when he went to see his dad. And we have more sitting on a bench. This setup is just amazing. And it came with like scenes. How cool is this? Oh, anyway, recommend, 10 out of 10.